Audio Jungle.
Good morning. Welcome to another emission of Tidevita's News, Not Common News. In today's news, we are going to talk about effects of chemistry in the modern world. First, we will get you know about the contributions of chemistry in medicine. We know that chemistry is everywhere and is very important in our life and also helps in health problems. So let's go with our report. Carla Mercado, she is located in the Universitarios Hospital.
Hi Leslie, I'm located here in Universitarios Hospital and I'm gonna talk about the relation of the chemistry with the medicine. We know that the contribution of the chemistry has been fundamental in many fields, but especially in the field of the health. The union of these sciences could save our life. In Mexico, according with the Mexican Society of Cardiology, more than 100,000 people enjoy a better quality of life thanks to a pacemaker manufactured with plastic. Medicine have a lot of products where the main component is plastics, made with chemical processes, like the prosthesis and also the use of compounds like oxygen water. Another example is a chemotherapy, a very important treatment for cancer, a common sickness of our days. And also, is an investigation, a cure for the disease with the help of the chemistry. Cleaning products, breathing gases, latex gloves are just one example of the multiple medium chemical objects we could find in a hospital. If all life is chemistry, medicine is even more so. Thanks, Leslie.
Thanks for the information, Carla. Now let's go with Cristina Cerda. She is going to talk about the application of chemistry in food. Let's see her report.
Thanks, Leslie, and good morning to all the audience. And in this segment, we will see if the science had applications in the foods. Production are thanks to chemistry, because playing in this field includes the selection, preservation, processing, packaging, and use of safe and nutrition. So let's inform one on their latest productions, the meat laboratory. The trend of development of the pulp by experts who have used strips of muscle tissue with stem cells taken from cows. The idea is to look for sources of animal protein less expensive or less polluting. Proponents of this type of development meat, which is not yet marketed, the end result has to be something eatable, nutritious, affordable, and easy to produce. One of the challenges is to get the meat taste as same or the least similar to conventional meat. This taste will have to come from artificial flavors.
Very interesting, Cristina. Thank you. Now we will get to know about the chemistry in warfare with our correspondent Fernanda Martinez. She is located in a confidential place of the USA Army.
The main term for using explosive power to make warlike and like this vehicles. To face the guidance, the enemy later they were discovering very powerful explosives and the chemical weapons while using semi-opposition to the enemy. They have been used in many parts of the world and chemical products used for the war. The first stage of the investigation is called an agent of chemical war. It was not a toxicity. It's not that the clothes counter the skin layers across the cloth. Afterward, they invented the mustard gas between others. The chemistry has contributed very much of the war where there are many disadvantages.
It's so bad that chemistry is used in the war. Now we will go to commercials and in the return we will show you a special report of global warming and a new section of the program with an expert in chemistry.
Ba 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 banana.
Potato!
Banana.
Tocali no potato li cani maromani calotica. Ba 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 banana.
Oh, despicable me.
again, welcome back. Now, let's go with our correspondent Stephanie Perez. She will show you us a very big problem that is happening in the world, global warming. Let's see.
Coming to you from the highlands of Jalisco, where the climate is quite radical. In the morning, we are above 0 degrees and afternoon to more 35, very consistent with today's topic, the global warming. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, cool forests are drying, and wildlife is crumbling to keep pace. We call the result global warming, but it is causing a sea of change to the harsh climate or long-term weather patterns that varies from place to place. As the earth spins each day, the new heart split with its picking up moisture over the ocean, rising here, sitting there. It's changing the rhythm of climate that all living beings have to come very open. What we do you slow the warming? How we cope with the change already set in motion? While we try to figure it and not off the face of the earth as we know it, cause forests, farms, and snow-capped mountains hangs in the balance. And all this leads to what we call greenhouse. That is the warming that happens when a certain gases in her atmosphere trap heat. These gases let in light but keep the heat from escaping like the glass wall of greenhouse. First, sunlight shines into the hard surface, where it is absorbed and then radiated back into the atmosphere as air. In the atmosphere, greenhouse gases trap some on the heat and the rest escape into space. The more greenhouse gases are in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped. Scientists often use the term climate change instead of global warming. This is because of the Earth's average temperature climbs. When an ocean or current moves hot around the globe in ways that can cool some areas, what others and change the amount of the rain and snow falling. As a result, the climate change different in different areas. What will you do for your planet? Remember that the only people affected will be you. Oh, it hurt my report. I hope I was you lucky. We return to the studio with my colleague Leslie. Good morning.
Thanks for the information, Stephanie. Here in the studio, I will show you my special investigation of possible solutions to solve the problem. The melting of polar ice caps, a threat to the weather of Mexico. The melting of polar ice caps is a serious problem today. It continues to accelerate over time. This problem is linked to global warming. For some factors include excessive use of gaseous and combustible components, as well as the excessive production of CO2. The best three possible solutions to solve these problems are: reduce the use of products that cause greenhouse gases, which are an important factor in global warming and therefore the melting pulse models. Implement environmental education trying to appeal more to the people in this area, creating campaigns, reforestation, because although it is known by a large number of people, it is not taken into account as an important issue. To continue the final part of the program, we will show you this special section, in the opinion of. For this time, the specialist in chemistry, the Dr. Marifer Machado, will say a conclusion about the effects of chemistry in modern world.
Good morning, Leslie. Applications of chemical science has contributed significantly of the development of human civilization with a correct understanding and ability to manipulate chemical molecules. The post-World War II chemist was considered as a top problem solver. They synthesized crop aging and agricultural chemicals to ensure a constant and viable food supply. They play a significant role in the eradication of daily diseases by developing life-saving pharmaceuticals and chemical pesticides. Chemists also develop innovative plastic and synthetic fibers for use in both, and these are industrial and consumer products. Thank you.
Well, with this, we finish our special program of Cidevitas News. In the next program, we will have a surprise. This was Cidevitas News, not common news. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.